Hi everyone, my name is Vijaya here. Today's session is about, so you've completed your first 3 days of the program. So Monday, Tuesday, and today is your third day. And that's going to be your stage 1. Now, next we're going to move into stage 2's program currently, right? So what we're going to do in stage 2 is we are the only different, all right? From stage 1 to stage 2 is the portion control part. So the portion control means now on stage 2, you've got a certain limit of portion that you need to follow. All right. Few things that before I go to how you work on your portion, few things I want you guys to know first. Now your water is still the same. You need to still take 3 liters of water in stage 2. Supplements still the same. You need to take all your supplements as you were taking before. All right. Third, you need to also make sure your fruits are taken. So no difference in these 3 things, your water, your supplement, your fruit, no changes. Now, the fourth things that you're doing is your meal. Now, currently, if you know, stage 1 means you are eating unlimited food from the list that was given to you or the grocery that was given to you. Now, stage 2 means you are going to portion control. Now, let's say let's go through the grocery list that I've given you. So based on the grocery list that we have, all right, so we've got, let's say we go through the vegetarian's grocery list. So you've got paneer, tofu, Greek yogurt, halloumi, kala chana, and moong, right? Kala chana's portion, which is 50 grams, is already correct for stage 2 for 1 meal, but only on lunch. Moong's 50 gram, moong sprouts 50 gram, portion is already enough for 1 lunch. All right, so no changes in that one. Halloumi, we have given you 250 grams for halloumi. Now, the reason why there is an extra 50 grams is because you're eating unlimited in the stage 1. We just added some extra there. The other issue is, excuse me. The other issue is sometimes the portions that comes in one block is 250 per halloumi block. All right, so it's easy for you just buying 1 pack, then you not knowing how much to buy. So 1 pack is all you need for the program. Now, halloumi again, stage 2, you're going, if you notice, it is 100 grams halloumi, 100 grams, so 2 portions are there, 100 grams. The 50 grams, you can do whatever you want later. All right. Now, when it goes to tofu, you've got 500 grams tofu there. So that's also all is 100 grams for you. Now, if you remember, we did a preparation session where we packaged everything on 100. Remember, we did the tofu 500 grams, we cube it, we put it in bake, and then we put it in 5 Ziploc bags. So that's already 100 grams. The prep is already done to prepare you for stage 2. All right, so 500 grams of tofu is going to be 100 grams tofu each meal. Now, tofu can be lunch or dinner. But remember, kala chana and moong is only for lunch. All right, tofu can be for lunch and dinner. Now, paneer again, 500 grams was given to you. So that's again 100 grams each meal. And paneer can be lunch or dinner again. All right, now you've got yogurt also. Yogurt you can take up to 150 grams if you want. 150 grams per meal. You can add cucumber or whatsoever and make it into a raita. All right, 150 grams of yogurt, and you've got few meals there already. Now, this is just for this week's groceries. Saturday, we are going to give you a different grocery list. All right, there'll be a different list coming on Saturday. Now, that's your vegetarian. Now, let's work on, now look at your vegetables also, the vegetarian, the vegetables. Spinach, you've got 1 kg. So each meal go for about 200 grams of spinach, 200 to 250 grams, no issue. Now, you've got spinach, cucumber, zucchini. All right, these 3 vegetables, cucumber, zucchini, and spinach, 200 to 250 grams is fine. All right, cauliflower, 150 grams. All right, cauliflower, take 150 grams. Bok choy, I've told you to buy 1 bunch. Use that 1 bunch for 1 meal. Let's say if you're doing tofu 100 grams, you use 1 bunch of bok choy. So you can saute, stir fry, and that's 1 meal for you. All right, now let's go into non-veg. Baby, I'll pass it to you for non-veg. You've got the list, Betty, with non-veg, or do you want me to share the screen?
Okay, so do you want me to? Yeah, would you be able to share that?
Yeah, I'll share that screen now.
Because I.
No, that's fine. I've got it here. There you go.
Okay. And I'm using my mobile, so I just need to zoom in.
There you go.
Okay.
Can you see? You want me to increase?
Vegetarian list up.
Yeah. Vegetarian is done. You go on the non-veg.
So is a non-vegetarian list. Okay. All right. So let's talk about how we can follow if you are doing the non-veg meal plan. So use 600 gram meat chicken, like salmon 500 gram, prawn 500 grams. So you can either follow this one, because some of my mentees, they are following their one standard program list as well. So they can have options to choose from. But if you have already done your grocery list according to this list, then you can just pick one protein, for your breakfast. And with egg. So don't miss protein with egg. So that's one option. But some people have said that they are having difficulty with the chicken, or had given like compromised the option for breakfast, even for the non-vegetarian one with the egg.
Betty, sorry, Betty. Sorry. You work on this grocery list for lunch and dinner. Anu will cover the breakfast part.
Okay, no worries then.
Yeah.
All right. So talk about so Bijay, that we are still eating our snack, like fruits as a snack. So don't miss your snacks. And after that, once you are about to eat your lunch, make sure you have one protein and one vegetable. So you can choose chicken. If you choose chicken, you can go like 100 grams for your lunch. And if you go and have a look in the vegetable section, you can see bok choy 2 bunch, spinach 1 kg. So you can go 1 bunch of bok choy for with your chicken, or you can go for like 300 grams of, or you have 6 cucumber. So you can go for about 2 cucumber. Okay, 2 cucumber is enough. So for lunch, you can go 2 cucumber plus 100 grams of chicken. And then the same way in the dinner, you can go for salmon. So you can, if you're going for salmon, you can go up to 100 grams, because both chicken and salmon are in the group C. So you have to go 100 grams for that one. And choose broccoli. So you can go for 1 bunch of broccoli for that one. Yeah. And I think broccoli that's 1 day lunch.
Broccoli.
Which one?
Broccoli is 150 is enough. 150
grams. Because I usually use broccolini, so that's how I thought.
Yeah, that's also a good option also.
Yeah, I usually use 1 bunch of broccolini, but if you have like a large broccoli itself, then you go up to 1. So for chicken, like chicken and bok choy, you can go for the lunch, like 100 gram chicken and 1 bunch of bok choy. And for the dinner, you can go 100 gram of salmon with 150 gram of broccoli. Broccoli, sorry. Yeah. So Anu will talk about the breakfast.
Anu, can't hear you. The breakfast part, Anu?
Yep. Hey, hi everyone. So for breakfast for non-vegetarians, it's very simple, isn't it? To start with eggs, because that's what I would advise you to go if you're a quick runner. Go for eggs, make an omelette or boil some eggs with salt and pepper. And or you can have even poached eggs. They're really good in the morning. It digests very quickly for you. The next thing that you can have is Greek yogurt. This is an absolute delight to have in the morning, especially when you are dieting, because it sets that sugar level. It sets that even Greek yogurt doesn't have sugar, but it has natural ingredients in it, which helps you to, the probiotics help you to get your insulin level balanced. So you can try that Greek yogurt. You can put some strawberries in it. You can either get fresh or frozen, it's up to you. Or you can even add some blueberries if you have in your fridge. That is even a good idea as well. Other than that, mushrooms. You can have a handful of mushrooms with your eggs or with your chicken, right? This will be really good. How to prepare this quickly? Eggs, if you want to have boiled eggs, you can even boil several eggs, maybe 6 eggs, and keep it separately. Put it in a Ziploc. Don't peel the shell off. Keep it. Keep the shell in, and then each morning you can just peel off the shell and it's still fresh. Okay, if you're a runner. If you want to cook some chicken, make sure that you either grill it in the morning or put it in the air fryer, put it in a Ziploc, and this will be easier for you as well. Right? Because mornings are the most difficult time for us to prepare food because we will be running after our family or we will be getting ready for work. So make sure you prepare this at night if you can. But if you think that you can manage in the morning, please go ahead and have it fresh. Because I always advise my clients, if you are not a runner, have it fresh because it's still good because you have that little thing going on every day. Okay. You want me to cover that fruits as well, Akka?
Yes, I know cover the fruit as well. And we've got 2 more minutes to close this session.
Okay. For fruits, we can see that you have bought 5 large green apples. So have half each for a snack. That means you will have 2 snacks in a day. Have half apple in the morning or half in the evening. If you think you want a variety, you can have half apple and put it in a tight Ziploc and keep it in your fridge. And you can have some strawberries, maybe like 10 strawberries will be good. 15 blueberries will be good. Okay. So this is how you make your options a bit variety. Is that good, Akka? Yeah.
Yep, excellent. Excellent. Bedi, do you have anything else to add before we close up this session? Because I just want to make the videos all short now. We can do another video in 2 days' time, another short one.
I wasn't sure if I was supposed to explain how they can prepare the meals as well. But
meal prep we have already gone through on the earlier one, but this one we just want them to know how to, what's the difference between stage 1 and stage 2 only.
Okay, yeah. It's all about the meal plan.
Meal plan, the meal plans, how based on what grocery list we've given, how they prep it, how they use that grocery list for the stage 2. So basically it's all the same. In fact, when we did the prep work on Saturday, we have already gone through how you actually prep it for stage 2. Because remember, we did that 5 Ziploc bag for 500 grams of salmon. We did 5 Ziploc bag of prawn. So all already portioned in 100 grams. So the prep itself already set you up for stage 2. Yeah. And even the patty, 12 patties, remember, 600 grams. So 2 patties per meal. That means 100 grams per patty. So already set you for stage 2. All right.
27 days is stage 2.
27 days. Yes. Yes, Preeti. For 27 days.
So just a question, like as you mentioned, like 50 gram kala chana. So it means I can have kala chana only once in a week?
From this grocery, see what we are doing is we are trying to control how much you take kala chana, how much you take moong. We don't want you to input too much of beans and everything. If you are following this grocery list, then you need to follow based on this one.
Okay.
All right. So because in our grocery list, if you remember, we've only given 2 options of beans and moong, sprout. One sprout and 1 kala chana. This is for the week. Next week, Saturday, we will come up with a different grocery list with a bit extra in food and everything added. More kala chana and everything. First week, we want to control what you're eating first.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
That kala chana 50 gram and moong 50 gram is for one meal or for the whole week?
1 meal.
Okay. Got
1
it.
meal. 1 meal. That one.
Raw weight before you boil it or before you soak it.
Soak it,
It's raw
yes.
weight.
That's right.
Okay.
All right. If there's no further question, I want to end this session because I want all the video recording to be a short recording, so easy for people to watch. We will come in again another 2 days time and we do another Zoom session to just check on your progress and update and everything if you have any question and answer. So that will be more of a question and answer session for you guys. All right.
Thanks, Vijay.
Thank you very much for coming in today.
Thank you all.
Anu and
Good luck,
Bedi.
everyone.
Take care, everyone. All the best. Bye-bye.